Hello, today I talk about how to install GE SCADA software Simplicity. Simplicity now it come out is 2024. You can go to the Google, select Simplicity 2024. You can find in the GE website. You can find your field. It's a person the information, first name, last name, working email. This is that with your job. I just use personal email, is company name, country, job title, then you submit. You can go to email, is download email. So you can download from GE. He give you 14 days download. Expire. Okay, I download already. Now I install this GE Cimplicity 2024. Okay. Go to setup. Yeah. SCADA. I can use IGS here. So extend service history. We don't use history in the future. Just SCADA. Okay. Start. Next. Accept. Yeah. Skip. Start. Okay. I just install SCADA. Bottleneck. So we can go to here. Then go to here, workbench. Now we can create SCAD here. Click here, then test. Next. Project, test, project. Test project. Then Share screen. Create a new one. Project start. Yeah, rolling. Here is the SCADA test screen. You can do something on drawing format here. Okay, so in the future we talk about simplicity communication into the PLC and branded Studio 5000. Okay, so thank you very much.